Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. We're going to do a little yarn haul today from Herrschner's and oh boy. Okay. I might have gone a little sideways here. I don't know. But I do know that I got a really good deal on these things. And I was really happy to get them because I'm going to, I really want to do them. So, first of all, I just want to mention also, I might do a video about it, but I don't know if you guys know it, but Leisure Arts has a website and they sell stuff. So, but this book thought was very interesting. It is about doing quilted crochet. So crochet that looks like quilted things. So there's quite a few things in here. Blankets, pillows, table runners, and they all have the look of being quilted, but they are crocheted. So I thought I would check into that. There's some cool throw pillows. I think that's probably the easiest thing to start with. Or maybe there's a tree skirt here. Maybe I'll try something like that. I don't know. Table runner doesn't look too bad. So, quilted crochet. So it's published by Leisure Arts by Sarah Green. Oh, I've heard her name before. She must be just work for them writing patterns. Usually there's a piece of paper in here somewhere. There it is. So let's see. I got the Hooked on Quilted Crochet book. And then I got another mandala. Oh, maybe that was dumb, but I got another mandala book. This one is Mandalas to Crochet. 30 Great Patterns. And like there's one. You can see some on the back here. See the ones on the front. I don't know. I'm always on the lookout for things that I haven't done that I, might be interested in doing. It actually doesn't mean I'll ever get around to doing them all, but I don't know. You never know. That's cool. Sometimes I just want to know how something works, and sometimes I can't get through the instructions. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. That looks so cool. So, these are much smaller projects than the big blanket I made. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Huh. I don't know if you make them individually and then sew them together or what. Yeah, I guess you sew them together and then you do edging around all of it. Some really beautiful things in here. Okay, I might have to give these a try. Of course, they look more complicated than like some of those mosaic tile things that I see people doing, or similar maybe. I don't know. I don't want to minimize those because I think some of those are very hard to do. So anyway, I got that. This one's published by Herrschner Linson. And or written by, I'm not sure. Yep, he's a blogger and crochet enthusiast who has developed a recognizable style, classic crochet with a modern twist. Trained in cultural history, she is interested in the historic background of the craft. Herrschner has contributed to Molly Makes Mandalas to Crochet. Wait, I missed some punctuation in there. Herrschner has contributed to Molly Makes Mandalas to Crochet is her first book. So she contributed to another book, apparently. And this is St. Martin's Griffin is the publishing house. SMP Craft is St. Martin's Press. smpcraft.com is St. Martin's Press if you want to check them out. See what else they have. 100 colorful granny squares to crochet. 100 colorful ripple stitches to crochet. 100 snowflakes to crochet. They have a couple other things, I guess. Okay, so that book was 1997. There's a lot of content in there. It's a thick book. Whereas this one was $9.99 and there was not a lot of content in here, although there are 6 patterns. I think the complexity of the patterns makes it harder to put a lot in a single book. So, all right, what else? I got a couple of kits. This one, it was so pretty and it was so inexpensive. I was like, oh, well, I gotta get that. So monochromatic shawl. So it comes with the pattern and it was $17.99. Comes with 2 big balls of worsted gradients. So all the color changes are already in there for you. You don't have to have a lot of ends tie in. And then it comes with this pattern. I thought it was very pretty. And so that looks like a good one. All right. Then, and it comes in a little zippered project bag. Actually, a bag far too big for what's in it, as you can see. But I'm not complaining. All right, ingredients, and then look at this. Whoa! Look at this yarn. Look at that. Stained glass Afghan. I might have bit off more than I can chew, but man, do I want to make that. And I have some beautiful things here to make, but next year I am on the hook, so to speak, for a donation to my friend's charity. She lives in Oregon, and they serve the homeless and unhoused population. And they do that through food and supplies, and she was able to get a temporary camp where they were living. She was able to supply washing machines that do not run on electricity, and through a project, the washing machine project, which up until now has only been international, has never been in the US, and she was able to bring them to the Portland area, and she works with PDX Saints, I guess they're called, is the nonprofit. So they're going to have an auction next year, and I want to make a statement blanket, maybe two, for that auction, and that is a gorgeous blanket. So, we'll see. I think I can do it. Yeah. Anyway, that was my thought when I got this, and I paid in the it was $23.52. Look at all the yarn in there. Plus, I get to learn how to do that. That seemed like a very good price to do something like that. So I was thrilled. All right. So there's that. Then, of course, there was a crochet hook set, a P and a Q. I had to get it. You know I did. That's right, P and Q. So P is Q. Oh, can I even read these? 15.7 or 15.75 millimeter is the Q, and it's blocked. I can't read the other one. 11.5 millimeter is the P. Oh golly, I can't wait to try that one out. That's pretty good. I have bigger, you guys. I have bigger. This one is 20 millimeter, and I actually have a 25 somewhere over here. So, but I love me big hooks, and I like the flat on it. It makes it a little easier to handle it, I think. Alright, then, of course, $5 mill-ins. How could I not? So we've got worsted, worsted cast-offs. Bag of 3 in blush, light mauve, turquoise, and beige. So this would be blush, light mauve, turquoise, and beige. Nice worsted weight, $5 a bag. Can't beat it. So it says here 359 yards per ball. 100% acrylic. So 359, 350, 350, 350. So that's 1,000 yards. Over 1,000 yards in each bag. So cool, right? And then my kits and my hooks. I'm very happy. And the books. And I'm rhyming things now. Wow. So one of the things that I'm gonna, my very long list of things that I want to do, you guys, very long, is I want to start caking. I have scrap yarn for years, because I bought scrap yarn when I was first starting out. I would buy people's scrap yarns and use them to make stuff, and then add my own, So I have a lot. And so I want to start making, like, I have a bunch of these pound of, like I have a mushroom color. I'm not going to make anything with the mushroom color, but I could use it in making cakes and use it as one of the colors in a multicolored cake and use it up that way. So, yeah, that's the plan, Stan. Okay, so anyway, of my millions of plans, I some of this stuff I will not have time for until I am retired for at least a year. But regardless, I'm going to continue to think about all the things I do want to do, and I'll get there. I'll get there eventually. All right, so I think that's it on the haul, and I've got a couple other videos planned while I'm out of town, so you'll every couple of days something will pop up, and then I'll be back. I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever day it is, because I'm not even sure what day this will be out there. And I am really excited about these kits. Don't know when I'll get them made. Maybe, oh, this one's probably easy. I could probably take it in the car with me. I don't know. We'll see. So, that's all for that, and we'll see you on the next video.